How to forward text messages to another phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and download this app, SMS Forwarder. After you download it, open it and click on plus button at the bottom. After you click on plus button, click on incoming SMS/RCS, which is the first option. Then click on plus again at the top. You can add recipients from phone number, email, URL, Telegram, push service, or Slack. Select one. I'm selecting email and then next. I'll simply add email and then press on next. After that, you can simply turn on forward all messages or only forward RCS and press on next. And here you can also replace old words with new words and press on next. Scroll down and then press on next. You can also allow messages containing the following words. Press on next. And then click on done at the bottom right. After you click on done, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Use Gmail, Microsoft, or STMP. Simply sign in as I'm using Gmail. After that, click on send test mail and mail will be sent to the email. This is how to forward text messages to another phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.